Et bienvenue dans
Voilà,
Marguerite
et Julien, un scénario devenu enfin un film signé Valérie Donzelli. Bonne conférence de presse à tous.
Enjoy.
Voilà. Mais c'est un petit supplément. Voilà, merci beaucoup. Alors, ils n'ont pas seulement produit Marguerite et Julien, ils ont
They didn't just produce Marguerite and Julien, they loved the film, the producers, Ali Gérard and Édouard Veil.
Elle devient la jeune indispensable du cinéma
She
français.
is becoming the indispensable person in the French cinema industry. You have Bird People by Pascal Ferrand, Anaïs de Moustier, who plays Marguerite.
Dans son premier film, La Reine des Pommes,
in her first film, The Queen of Hearts, she had 4 roles together. They won the most beautiful war, one can imagine, declaration of war. In fact, she was even in a pink tutu. Jérémy Alcaïm and Valérie Donzelli.
À qui je vais poser la première question.
Who should I ask the first question to? Marguerite and Julien dates from about 1603, but the screenplay is also part of the history of the cinema, because in fact it was written by Jean Drouot and it was written for François Truffaut. So how did it get to you? In fact, it was published as a book, so anyone can buy it in a bookshop. I was given it, I read it, and I discovered the story that I didn't know about. The story of Marguerite and Julien is a real one. And I didn't want to make a film based on my personal life, yet I wanted to make a film based on something that was real and true. When I read the book, I wanted to adapt it. I didn't want to reconstruct the past, so I wanted to adapt, in fact, the book. We talked about it together. It sets out many themes: impossible love, freedom. I wanted to make a film that would be very different, in fact. And one could do that with this storyline. I'm a Romanian film critic. Although we're not very numerous in the room, unfortunately, I assure you that for many people in Cannes, your film was something we fell in love with. As you said in an interview that I read, it is a very popular film, and it's an exquisite, very intimate film. It's an art house film. To what extent did you draw inspiration from the novel? Your film is full of anachronisms. And what do you think these anachronisms added to your film? The helicopter, for example, to begin with, I didn't want to follow Jean Gruault's script, which was more based in historical fact. I suggested to Jérémy that we make a musical, in fact. I wrote songs in order to stand back from that original script and to make the script mine. And then gradually the songs disappeared, and the anachronisms, they're not really anachronisms. I didn't want to do a costume piece. You have cars, and I wanted to add things from a different time. The film takes place in the past, granted, but I wanted to create a whole environment like in a fairy tale. I wanted to create a special environment for the film, and this happened gradually as we wrote the film. It's a film set in the past, granted. When we talked about the film, people said, well, in what era did the film take place? And I said it took place in the past. We had many discussions we thought that a conventional film depicting historical fact, for example, would limit the topic, would turn the tale into just a sort of a topical issue. We wanted it to be broader. We wanted the film to be very lyrical. Valérie wanted to create a very Romanesque film, a tale of love.
Bonjour, Émilie Olivier du Max Image. J'avais deux questions.
I have two questions. This is a major change in style. Was that voluntary? Then I have a question for Valérie. And Jérémy Alcaïm, did you have to work to look younger on the screen? Well, indeed, the people in charge of makeup made me look much younger. I want to say a few words about Julien. He is burnt by this passion he has for his sister. And we thought, well, if he turns up really fat, that won't work. So I had to be much slimmer. And in terms of physical preparation, I had to jog a lot in order to be quite thin, in order to embody this character properly. He was sort of eaten up by this inner passion. Personally, I'm even quite surprised by the end result. Of course, we talked about the images in the film, and I wanted Marguerite and Julien to appear very young and sense this freshness when they touched each other's skin. The first question you asked was something I didn't actually understand.
D'accord. Oui, complètement. Oui. Après,
the answer to your question is yes. There are commonalities between my films. In any event, I wanted to make quite a radically different film. I wanted to try different sets, things I'd never attempted to do in the past. I had a bigger budget, and the film was designed in that way from the outset. So definitely, this was what we wanted to do from the very beginning. In fact, we're in an era where things in the cinema are very natural. People talk about depicting reality, depicting truth. What Valérie wanted to do was to depict reality through things that are totally fictitious, that are purely the cinema. And this is what prevailed over everything else during the entire shooting of the film. It's very difficult to embody certain historical facts in a film. It's hard to lend real life and substance to characters. And this is true whether you're doing a very modern film or something rooted in the past. What happened also when we were discussing the matter together was the following. We started with a sentence by Jean Cocteau. What is real is something that actually took place and is then somewhat deformed. We didn't want to talk about the legend of Marguerite and Julien. What we wanted to do is to use the legend and turn it into our own. Anaïs, how did you slip into the skin of Marguerite? Well, I started to understand the character because she's so terribly determined. When Valérie gave me this screenplay, she said, Marguerite is a very determined, strong-willed person, and she looked me straight in the eyes. And I understood this energy, and I realized that this was how I needed to depict Marguerite, who can't be dissuaded. In fact, Marguerite just came to me. She sort of filled me with her passion, the love she has for her brother, and her absolute need to be herself and true to the person she really is. She's a character who swept me off my feet. She really invaded me, so to speak. She took hold of me. This is something just to react to what Anaïs said, that I have felt myself. Valérie makes certain artistic choices that create surprising things. We filmed in the real chateau where the events occurred, near Cherbourg, the Rabelais Chateau. And this fact, when you're actually embodying a character, you feel that the souls of the characters are there somewhere around. There is a trace of them. And it's incredible to embody these characters in the places where these events actually took place. In this chateau, there was something deeply moving. It was wonderful to be there. And for the three of us, this was a way for the characters and the families to become very real and almost tangible for us, together with the times. And so we just had to understand this and let ourselves go. Valérie said, I had greater means. So I'd like to ask Alice Gérard and Edouard Veil what it's like to produce such a powerful Baroque film.
Le maître mot pour nous dans ce genre de situation, c'est
in this kind of situation, things had above all to remain consistent. We needed to find a budget that was commensurate with what Valérie wanted to do. She put the film together in such a way that this became possible. We've worked a lot together. I understand almost instantly what she wants. And so we felt that our role was to make available the means she needed without going overboard. Of course, we needed simply to have the right budget for the film. For the first time, there is a chateau, there are horses, and all sorts of things. Yes, a lot of things take place. And it took time to shoot the film. 12 weeks. That's quite a lot. There was a clear desire to film using 35 and video. That's a real artistic choice. Maybe Valérie would like to elaborate on that point. You have 35 millimeter and video. I wanted to make a film that would be atypical, visually speaking. I wanted the images to look a bit old, yet with digital technologies we could also make quite modern features. We had the issue of the budget, of course. Digital filming is less expensive than with 35 millimeters. We had to juggle around with these constraints and find the best possible compromise. At night, we use digital technology. The lighting isn't so problematical. You have to be very patient, yet I'm an impatient person. I want things to really move quickly. So I talked with the director of photography, Jérémy and Edouard, and we reached this major decision. I don't regret it in any way. This decision has made the film very special. It's not just a film with good lighting. It's really specific and special. The film has real personality. I'd like to put a question to Valérie. In Main dans la main, an earlier film, which is a lighter comedy, you work in Commercy, and you have a brother, and with your brother, you're very close to your brother. You are very fond of each other. There is even a kiss that's not very sisterly. So did this idea of incest and passionate relations between a brother and a sister, did this issue captivate you already at that time? Were you interested in the topic? Not really. What interests me is sort of out of the ordinary love. In Main dans la main, the children are orphans. It's rather special if you don't have any parents. Imagine a brother and a sister who are orphans. They have a particularly strong tie, and they're not passionate when and they give each other a kiss. In some American films, you see parents kissing children on the lips, and it doesn't shock anyone. For Main dans la main, that was the idea. Of course, there's a kiss. It's a bit offbeat, but there was no incest. They didn't actually do anything specific. This case is very different. Indeed, it's a question of impossible love. I'm not particularly interested in incest, but in impossible love. What do you do with this kind of love you're not allowed to experience? Are you prepared to die for that kind of thing? It's a bit like a malady, a disease. That's what I said to Jérémie. I said we must treat this as something, as a sort of an illness that's beyond their control. He recognizes that incest is forbidden, but for her it appears self-evident that absolutely nothing will make her change her mind. What I was interested in with the character of Marguerite, that I wanted her to be quite a feminist. She's married off to someone she doesn't like. At the time when the actual story took place, they were sentenced to death for incest, but for adultery above all, because a woman was her husband's chattel. And I was interested in that. I wanted Marguerite, I didn't want her to call that love into question. She lived in the chateau, she wasn't allowed to travel and discover things and study for a long time, so she remained with this childhood love. Julien had had other affairs. There was a picture of that woman in the little locket. Marguerite discovered all these things much later on. Julien doesn't have the same innocence. We didn't want to talk about a love tale with a beginning, a middle, and an end. We wanted to start about a love story that began in childhood and turned into something different that became problematical later on. It's as though the impossible love between them is not really linked to the initial relationship. Sometimes things are impossible per se. There's a morbid passion, for example, where people actually hurt themselves. This story would almost be boring were incest not forbidden. They love each other in a very pure way, in fact. And for us, we actually wondered about this. The film is full of light and sun. It's not trying to excuse anything or condemn anything. It's not addressed as a societal issue, incest. The idea was very naively to ask the question, what do you do with two people who mutually agree to live this passion, which is almost part of their DNA. And we didn't want the people contradicting them, thwarting them, to look like caricatures. The family no longer knows how to handle the situation. What I love in the film also is the brother. You have someone who contradicts them, but who isn't a caricature. Also the uncle who represents the church. The church in Romanesque films bans this kind of love. But when he takes the floor, you can identify with him. You can say, okay, it's totally impossible. You don't know why it is. But there's some kind of consent.
Interviennent de façon beaucoup plus subtile, c'est-à-dire
simplement societal events are dealt with in a very subtle way.
On enseigne quelque chose
Marguerite
qui paraît tout de suite
has to learn the hard way.
Nature, presque plus contre nature.
This passion runs against what is natural and normal. Yet somehow in the film you get this across in a very nice way. We wanted to show also that the parents were very modern. In the script there were major scenes setting out discussions. People were asking for this or that, and then we shortened the scenes. We wanted to show that the parents
du monde qui était moderne,
had a vision of the world
politique.
which was very
Et donc, Marguerite,
modern.
effectivement, suit les cours, parce qu'elle avait le droit de lire.
Marguerite is
C'est
allowed
normal.
to learn how to read and write. She goes to
Elle en
school.
parle après quand elle dit,
And later she
la
talks
connaissance,
about
ça
this.
aide à
She
vivre.
says that knowledge helps one to remain alive.
Et pour Marguerite, c'est son seul
For
espace de
Marguerite,
liberté,
it's
c'est la
her
lecture.
only hope for freedom. It's
On sent que
reading.
c'est une jeune fille qui a été effectivement
She's a
enfermée,
young
qui a
girl
cultivé un
who was sort of
imaginaire
imprisoned
poétique,
in the
romanesque,
château.
qui-
She had
qui se
tremendous
rêve en grande
imagination,
héroïne de sa vie, de
and
sa
she
propre vie.
dreamt about being a heroine, which she does become despite herself.
Est-ce que la fin qui est absolument déchirante
The
et
end
qui a ce coup de théâtre
is deeply
sublime
moving.
de la mort de Marguerite avant.
Marguerite, in fact, dies before she's
était déjà dans
beheaded.
le scénario, ou
Was
est-ce que
this
c'est
already
quelque
in the
chose que vous avez
screenplay,
rajouté?
or is this something that you added?
Non, c'était pas dans le scénario, ça,
No, it
c'était
wasn't
notre
in
idée,
the
notre
script.
invention, voilà.
It
Mais il y en a
was a
beaucoup des
last-minute
choses. Le
invention.
scénario qu'on a écrit avec Jérémy,
The screenplay we wrote with Jeremy is very different
D'ailleurs,
from
ça
what
s'est
you
fait
actually see
avec
on the
Jean
screen.
Gréau, c'est que Valérie était quasiment toutes les semaines en lien avec lui. Elle lui faisait dire.
Valérie was in very close touch all the time.
Dans son rapport au travail de Valérie,
And
qui était absolument spectaculaire.
it
C'est-à-dire
was
qu'on a eu un Jean
very
Gréau
spontaneous
d'une
working
fraîcheur étonnante,
with
sans
Valérie.
aucune- Alors, on se dit parfois
It was a
Précisons que
different
Jean
form
Gréau
of Jean
90
Gréau.
ans.
Voilà,
Jean
il a
Gréau.
comme quoi la jeunesse n'est pas
Well,
une époque de
he
la
was
vie.
90,
C'est-
so
Merci de me le
youth
dire.
Voilà.
is not just
C'est
a
un état
question of
d'esprit.
age,
Et,
it's a
donc, nous
question of
avons eu affaire à un
mindset.
jeune.
We were dealing
Mais
with a
au-delà
very
de ça,
young person with Jean Gréau.
il était réjoui
But
de
over and
voir
above that, he
Valérie
was
s'emparer,
thrilled
avec
to
aucune
see
révérence
Valérie,
particulière de son scénario.
and he
Et
was
le dialogue
thrilled
qui se
with
faisait
the
entre eux était réjouissant.
script, and they had a wonderful conversations
Ouais,
together.
Et on l'a eu au téléphone tout à l'heure. Il me disait, ah, j'ai une formule.
We
pour le
spoke with
film.
him
C'est un
on
film
the
solaire.
phone
Contrairement au film
earlier on,
crépusculaire.
and he said
Très
it's a
bien, nous
very
achetons.
sunny film as
formule de
opposed to
Jean
the
Gréau.
dark side in many of
Oui.
your previous
Et
ones.
est-ce qu'il vous a rappelé comment il avait proposé ce
Did
scénario à
he
François Truffaut pour qui il a fait le
Remind
scénario
you of how
de
he
ce film,
sent this screenplay to
dont
you?
Jules et Jim, bien sûr. Et pourquoi Truffaut ne l'avait
Why
pas
did Truffaut
accepté? Est-ce qu'il
not
l'explique?
accept it? Did he ever
Alors,
explain
c'est
that?
marrant parce que
Well, it's quite funny.
Jean Gréau n'a pas pu venir
Jean Gréau
à Cannes.
couldn't come
Parce
to
que voilà, il a
Cannes
90 ans,
because
qu'il
he's
est fatigant
90
et
years
tout, et je
old.
lui ai
It's
dit,
very
s'il y a des
tiring
questions,
to
est-ce
come
que je
here.
peux vous appeler par
So I
téléphone?
said,
Il a dit, ah bah oui,
if I have
bien
any
sûr,
questions,
je
can I
voudrais,
call you on the
oui.
phone? He
Je
said,
crois que ça
yes,
marcherait
please
pas ce
do.
qu'on fait.
Non,
C'est
je
trop
crois que
compliqué.
techniquement,
Mais
c'est
cette
pas-
question-là,
Oui.
j'ai la
As
réponse.
to your
Très bien,
Parce
question,
que nous en avons parlé souvent.
we
Oui.
talked about
Et,
it quite often.
Donc, Truffaut,
I can venture an
en fait, ce qui s'est
answer.
passé, c'est quand ils sont partis faire les deux Anglaises et le continent, dans la tournée dans la région du
When
Cotentin,
they went
Jean Gréau
to
a
shoot a
entendu
film
parler
in
de
the
cette histoire
Cotentin,
d'Henri
Jean
de
Gréau
Julien,
heard
et
about
avec
this
Suzanne
story
Schultz,
of
il me dit,
Marguerite
ça
and
ferait une
Julien,
histoire
and he thought to himself,
géniale,
that's a
une histoire
fabulous
romanesque,
story.
ça plairait à François. Donc,
François
ils
would
ont
like it.
commencé à écrire,
So
et
they
donc,
started
on parlait à François
to
Truffaut, qui a dit,
write
ah oui,
the
écrivez, allez-y, ils
script
ont
as
commencé à
they spoke
écrire,
about it
etc.
with François
Et,
Truffaut. He said,
est
yes, by all
sorti
means,
le
write the
scénario
script.
Les Enfants Rouges, l'histoire de
And
Julien et
then
Marguerite.
we had Les Enfants
qui, le livre,
Rouges.
est édité.
That's a book that was published, and it was the script to begin with. And it's in 73. François Truffaut didn't want to make the film because it was the 70s. There was a lot of sexual freedom, but this film dealt with incest. And then there was something even more important. The film took place in the 16th century, and François Truffaut liked the 19th century, but certainly not the 16th.
Mais Jean Gréau m'a dit, oh, ça le
Jean
barbait.
Gréau said, well, this really bored him to tears,
Ce que je comprends très bien.
which I can fully understand. The idea of making a film set in that period, a costume piece. Okay, that's a fair answer.
Colette Khalaf de Lorient Le Jour, Liban.
I come from
Je voulais
Lebanon.
vous demander d'abord, je voulais vous poser deux
I
questions.
wanted to ask you two
D'abord, comment se
questions.
passe le travail à deux? Est-ce que c'est un travail en
What's it
miroir?
like
Vous
working
parlez du travail
à
avec
deux?
Jérémy.
You're talking about working with
Dans la
Jérémy?
réalisation. Et est-ce que, parce que ce film était,
This film
allait être donné à François Truffaut, que vous
was
vous
given
êtes
to
inspiré
François
un peu
Truffaut originally,
des petits mécanismes de François Truffaut dans la
and did
réalisation.
you
Je sais pas, moi,
use
ça me fait penser à
similar
Sauvage, ces petits
techniques
fondus
as in François Truffaut's
Oui,
films?
Voilà, je savais pas comment on les appelait.
Did you draw
Oui, alors, après,
inspiration
moi, j'aime
from
bien
what
les
he
choses un
does?
peu ludiques et tout ça.
Well, I
Dans
like
La Reine
things
des
to
Pommes,
be
il y en avait
really
beaucoup,
fun
des
and
fermetures à l'iris,
playful. In The
mais
Queen
pour
of
ce qui est de
Hearts, I
notre
use
collaboration,
these techniques quite
Jérémy, c'est
often.
quelqu'un qui m'a autorisé à faire du cinéma.
Jérémy
Donc ça, ça a été,
enabled me
la première chose. En
to
fait.
make
Moi,
many
j'y
of
aurais
my
pas forcément
films.
pensé. Donc, il m'a autorisé
I
à faire ça.
wouldn't
Et
necessarily
puis,
have thought of many
je
of
sais
the
pas, c'est une
ideas I
espèce
depict.
d'équilibre,
I don't know. There's a wonderful
d'équilibre un peu
balance between
parfait,
the
parce
two
qu'on
of
est
us. It's
différents et
a
assez
perfect
complémentaires, donc j'ai confiance en
situation
lui, j'ai
because we have a
confiance en son regard, en
complementary
son
way of writing.
intelligence,
I have great
en ses
confidence
goûts.
in the way he
Et
views
je
things, in
pense
his
que,
taste.
on est assez... voilà, c'est un peu comme un Bluetooth en fait.
He's a bit like a Bluetooth for me. He finishes sentences I begin. And he's a bit my policeman too, because I'm not always fully aware of certain things, and he brings me back to earth. When I don't authorize her to do this or that or forbid anything. I immediately realized she was extremely talented when it came to making film. I sensed that she was a true artist. This came gradually. I felt she cooks so well. It's amazing. With 3 ingredients in a fridge, she can make a fabulous, very personal dish. Maybe I should open a restaurant. The parallel is a bit nutty, but despite everything, it's a good one. It's a bit like a recipe. In films, there are certain ways of doing things. There are certain techniques when you make a film. What's amazing with Valérie is she tries really to answer the questions put by filmmaking. Like you have to have a schedule of work, you have to do the casting, the various stages. And she just very naturally manages to get rid of any heavy aspects or dimensions. She dreams of herself as being totally obedient, but she disobeys. Sometimes one may think that directors calculate everything. They try to be provocative when they tack a different course. There's something she does that I might not do personally, but they're incredible, really risky. But I see her managing because that's the way she is, because it's really her. And when you think about really embodying the ideas in a given film, what you have to do is to be true to yourself. And that's how Valérie does her work. It's as though I was accompanying someone who tries to say things clearly but stutters all the time, and the stuttering is her, and that's why the film is so fabulous. When you're an actor, it's very special to see how Jérémie and Valérie work together. I found it quite magnificent to witness this and to see to what extent they're totally different, but highly complementary. It's wonderful for an actor to have 2 people to turn to and to have a partner who's even more heavily invested in the film than another actor. Valérie is a very free director, and that permeates the set. The film has tremendous momentum thanks to this freedom, and the character also needs to be really free. She's dying for freedom and liberty, and that also is something that Valérie lent to the set. She's very free indeed.
On l'aime bien, on l'aime bien.
We love her.
Question.
Et bonjour, c'est une question qui vient du Japon.
A question from Japan.
Question pour le producteur.
I have a question for the producer, Edouard Veil.
Ce film est très libre.
This film is very free.
Financement du film.
What about the financing of the film? Was it difficult or not? Now that Valérie is so well known.
Bonjour. Il y a aucun film, par essence, il y a aucun film facile à financer.
No films are easy to finance. Each time it's quite a nightmare. You need to find the right partners. Valérie is starting to be quite well known as a director. Jérémie and Anaïs, we've all worked together. This is the 3rd film where we've worked together. So obviously we have great trust in each other. It wasn't simple, in other words. but we
Il est
succeeded.
très modeste parce que
He's very modest.
lui et Alice ont fait un travail sur le
He
film
and
qui
Alice
était
did
exceptionnel.
exceptional
Nous
work
savions
on
que
this
le film,
film.
enfin, dans les discussions qu'on avait avec
In
Frédéric, il
our
fallait
discussions
le
with
voir de façon
Frédéric, we
ambitieuse,
knew
et que
that
cette ambition-là,
this film
effectivement,
would be very ambitious.
je crois que
And
vraiment,
ambition
on peut
carries
dire
a
dans ce
cost.
film-là que,
I think in this film,
je le dis sous ton contrôle, l'argent est très fort dans le film et dans sa fabrication.
I think in
dans
this
son-
film
qu'il
that
se
things
voit
are
d'une
very
certaine façon.
powerful.
Et voilà, moi j'ai eu le sentiment qu'on avait
I
de la
have the
chance
feeling that
d'être,
we were very
avec
fortunate
Edouard et Alice.
Moi,
to
j'ajouterais aussi que ce qui
have
nous a aidé
Edouard
pour
and
financer le film et
Anaïs.
le produire,
what helped us
c'est
to finance and
l'enthousiasme et
produce
l'élan
the
qu'on a eu
film
tout de
was
suite de
the
la part de
enthusiasm
Wild Bunch, le distributeur
of
du
Wild
film.
Bunch,
Et ça,
which
ça
is distributing
porte
the
une
film.
production pour après réussir à monter le film.
That makes it
Donc,
much easier
l'équipe
to
de
make a
Valérie et
film.
l'enthousiasme du
Valerie's
distributeur, c'est ça qui nous a porté.
team plus the
Oui, c'est vrai que
enthusiasm
c'est
of
un
the
esprit que
distributor
nous aimons, enfin,
were
l'esprit de
extremely
famille, l'esprit de
helpful.
clan, qui, je crois, est un esprit
I think
qui
one can talk
existe
about
effectivement chez Wild Bunch,
the fact
qui,
that we're a real family
voilà,
together
qui à
with
la fois
Wild
protège,
Bunch.
parce qu'on se dit, ils sont prêts à nous accompagner dans nos
We
folies,
realized that they were prepared to
ce qui est pas
support us in
toujours
our
fréquent,
madness.
et
That's
ils
not
le font
very
vraiment fort, ils
frequent.
le disent fort. Je me souviens
And they said
d'un
this quite
SMS
clearly.
qu'envoyait,
I remember
Vincent
a
Maraval
text
à
message
Valérie
sent
pendant la
by
fabrication du film, pendant le
Mahabal
tournage.
while
Il
we
lui
were
disait,
shooting the
surtout,
film,
n'hésite
and
pas à
he
nous
said,
faire un ovni.
well, don't hesitate to produce
C'est quand
an
même,
unidentified
pour un
flying
financier ou
object.
quelqu'un qui accompagne le film
For someone
financièrement, pas toujours une
who's
chose qu'on s'attend
helping
à
to
entendre.
finance the film. This is quite an unexpected
Hi, Matthew
form of
Hoffman,
support.
We Got This Covered. My question's for Valerie. You appeared alongside Jeremy in your last film, Declaration of War. Was there ever any discussion about you playing Marguerite yourself?
I'm too old. C'est ça. Si j'aurais pu jouer Marguerite, si j'avais pu jouer Marguerite.
Was that your
Est-ce que l'idée
question?
de
Could I
jouer
have
non,
played
mais c'est
Marguerite?
très intéressant parce que évidemment je suis beaucoup trop âgée.
Of course, I'm far too old to be Marguerite. It would have looked ridiculous. But when I saw the script, I wanted to play the
En
part.
fait, j'avais envie de faire ce cadeau
In
à
fact,
une actrice.
I
Parce que
wanted then
c'est vraiment
to
le
give this
personnage de
gift
Marguerite
to an
qui m'a
actress.
motivée à faire le
Marguerite
film.
motivated
Et
me
je
to
voulais
make
trouver
the
la
film,
Marguerite
and I wanted to
parfaite
find the
pour,
perfect
pour
person
ce
to
film-là.
play
Et
the
la
part.
rencontre avec Anaïs a été une
When I
évidence
met
de ce point de vue.
Anaïs, it
parce
was
que,
obvious
voilà,
she was
c'est
the
une
right
actrice
person.
exceptionnelle,
She's an
ça,
exceptional
Je
actress,
pense que tout le monde le sait maintenant.
as everybody now knows.
Ah, c'est Marguerite et Julien, j'avais pas vu les autres films en fait. Mais ce que je veux dire, c'est que
What I
ça a
want
été
to
pour
say
moi une rencontre
is
comme
that
si Marguerite était...
it's as though
D'ailleurs, j'ai du mal à
Marguerite,
dissocier Anaïs
in
et
fact,
Marguerite.
I
Pour moi,
can't
c'est
hardly
presque la même personne, tellement elle a
distinguish
part de ce
between
rôle. Mais j'ai
Marguerite
eu
and
l'impression,
Anaïs.
en
They've become the
découvrant
same
Anaïs,
person for
que
me.
c'était un peu,
When I discovered
un peu
Anaïs,
moi comme actrice, comme si je me dédoublais,
I
comme
felt
si j'avais
as
trouvé enfin
though it was
l'actrice
me as
qui me
well.
ressemble,
I
quoi.
felt
Et
I
donc, je pense qu'on fera
finally
d'autres
found an
ensemble.
actress who
Et je pense
resembles
surtout
me.
que,
So I'm sure we'll work
j'étais,
together often in the future
comblée,
as well.
de pouvoir la diriger parce qu'il y a
I
une
was
évidence
thrilled
comme ça,
to
dans le
direct her in
travail,
the
on avait à
film.
peine besoin de se parler, on
We
se
hardly
comprenait très bien.
needed to speak to
Anaïs
each
a
other.
une
We
intelligence
understood
de
each
jeu
other automatically
exceptionnelle.
without
C'était,
even saying
un
things.
plaisir,
Everything
vraiment
comes so
un vrai
naturally
bonheur
to
d'avoir pu
Anaïs, and
filmer,
it was a total joy
parce qu'elle a
to
une
film her.
photogénie, inouïe.
She
Et
is
puis, de voir à quel
extremely
point elle comprenait le
photogenic,
personnage. C'est
and
vraiment
she
la
fully
rencontre, pour moi,
understood
d'une
the
actrice et d'un
character.
rôle. Et,
She
c'était,
is
voilà,
and
quelque chose
becomes
d'assez,
the character.
d'assez magique.
And
Donc,
for
en fait,
me,
ça a
that was a
complètement
magical
comblé
moment.
ma
I
frustration de ne
felt,
pas pouvoir faire le rôle.
therefore,
Parce que j'étais trop âgée.
Mais d'ailleurs,
totally
le-
happy with
le
the idea
scénario
I
initial,
couldn't
celui
play the
qu'on
part.
s'est réapproprié, s'appelait Julien
The
et Marguerite.
initial script was
Et
called
ça a été une des
Julien
premières choses
and
importantes,
Marguerite.
c'était de se
And one of
mettre d'accord,
the
sur le
important
désir
things
de
we
Valérie
did
de se raconter
right at the
aussi, comme un
beginning
cinéaste
was
se raconte.
to
Au fond, il est toujours quelque part dans un film, et évidemment qu'elle
agree
était très fort dans Marguerite. Et donc, l'appeler tout d'un coup Marguerite et Julien, ça paraît
to
anodin.
reverse the order
Quand même,
and say
malgré tout, ça fait une
Marguerite
bascule qu'on ressent
and
dans le film,
Julien.
qui est-
And this is something that transpires in the
de
film.
faire de Marguerite.
Marguerite
L'héroïne.
is the
L'héroïne du
linchpin. She's the heroine of the film.
Bonjour, Laurent Ganassia de Radio Shalom à Paris.
Radio Shalom,
Alors, il y a
Paris.
une part très importante qui est faite dans le film à l'enfance.
In the
dans
film,
l'enfance de Marguerite
you
et Julien, bien
see
sûr, et
a lot
aussi
of
dans
scenes
cette-
about childhood,
dans ces
the
séquences
childhood
de
of
la
Marguerite and
narratrice,
Julien,
qui,
and
dans le
also you
pensionnat,
see a lot of
raconte
children
l'histoire de
when
Marguerite et
in
Julien, un
the
petit peu, à l'image
boarding
de-
school,
d'un conte de
the
fées.
girl
Alors, ces scènes
tells
que vous
the
avez
tale of
multipliées,
Marguerite and
est-ce que
Julien, a
c'était une
bit like
façon
a
de
fairy
préserver,
tale.
entre guillemets, le
Was
spectateur
this
qui savait que
a
c'était une
way of
histoire vraie, mais qui
protecting the
n'imaginait pas,
spectator
moi, et
who
j'imagine
knew
que
it was a
beaucoup,
real
pensez
story,
qu'ils n'imaginaient pas cette
but
fin,
who could hardly
atroce.
imagine this
Pensez que ça
horrible
allait peut-être
end?
bien se terminer.
Maybe people thought that there would be a happy ending. The fact that you told this like a fairy tale enabled people perhaps to think there would be a happy ending. And how did the young actors react, these very young children, when they learned about the ending, which is so tragic?
C'est-à-dire que le point de départ de cette idée d'orphelinat, c'était
we wanted
de se dire que Marguerite et
show
Julien
these
étaient comme
scenes
des
in an
mythes,
orphanage.
comme des légendes.
The idea was
Et donc,
to
tout le
depict
monde en parlait.
Marguerite and Julien like a myth
C'était
or a
comme des
legend.
rockstars, en fait, qui
They were a bit
fascinaient.
like rock stars. They
Fascinés par
fascinated
leur
all these
déviance, en fait, par le fait
orphans
qu'ils s'aiment,
because
qu'ils
they
savent
were
faire et ça,
deviants.
et
They
donc,
were brother and sister.
Jérémy, tu as dit, il faut que le film soit raconté.
Jeremy said the
Et
film
comme ça, alors,
needs
au
to
fur et à
be
mesure de la discussion, je me souviens plus
dealt with in
comment
that
ça s'est fait, mais est
manner.
arrivée l'idée des orphelines.
And then we
Parce qu'on
thought
se disait,
about
voilà, il y a
having
on en
orphans.
parle dans la ville, on en parle, donc le film va commencer comme ça, par la rumeur et tout, les
We'll
orphelines. Puis hop,
start by
c'est
showing
arrivé
the orphans
le
and these
récit dans le récit de
rumors,
cette orpheline qui
and
raconte
then
aux
as
petits.
time went by, we had this
Après, elle
idea
raconte
of
pas,
telling this fairy tale to
le
these
film
young
prend en charge
children.
le récit complètement sur la
And
fin, et elle ne le
then
raconte plus.
the
Donc on n'a pas comme ça cette
film tells the real story
tristesse,
more,
qu'elles peuvent
but there's
ressentir,
this
quoi.
touch of
On
fairy
bascule
tale, so you
d'un
don't
coup
feel
dans
quite so
la
sad,
pure fiction du film.
because at the end, the
Pour ce qui
film
est
is
des
pure
actrices,
fiction. As to
elles n'ont pas
the
toutes lu le scénario, on leur raconte
actresses,
l'histoire comme un conte de fées.
they
C'est vrai que
didn't
souvent, les
read
contes
the
finissent
entire
bien.
script. We told
Yeah,
them
oui,
about the
enfin,
story as though it were a fairy
et puis
tale,
voilà,
and
c'était pas
often
non
fairy
plus,
tales have a very happy ending.
Oui, on expliquait que c'était vu
We
comme un crime, et
explained
que, voilà, et
that
puis, à la
what
fin,
they
et-
did was
mais
a
elles étaient pas non
crime,
plus, plus trop
but
Bizarrement, elles étaient
these
pas plus- Au fond, en
young
réalité,
children
si on se
weren't
souvient
unduly
soi-même
upset.
de notre enfance, des histoires
If you think
terribles,
back to your
atroces, on en
childhood,
entend, on les perçoit, elles existent, elles sont là.
you realize that you've heard
Après,
about horrible
là, c'est de
things.
les objectiver dans
You
un
might
film,
have
de
felt
raconter qu'on leur fait ce
sad, but not
récit-là.
unduly
Ça produit cet
upset.
effet-là,
And
mais c'est vrai que
so
c'est ce qu'on
that's
se
why
disait,
we
c'était
decided on
d'une
this
certaine
approach in the
façon
film.
le
In a
raconter
way,
en dehors de ce que ça produisait formellement dans le film, qui était donc effectivement de le raconter, donc de
we
jouer avec le
had
récit,
this
le cinéma, la narration.
double way of
Il y avait
telling the
l'idée quand
tale
même
in the film.
que tout
You
d'un
have the
coup,
fairy
il y avait
tale and
une
then the
dimension presque
events which
universelle.
unfold.
C'était,
And this enabled the story to become
on
an
raconte,
almost
ça
universal
devient
one.
une histoire qui se raconte.
The
contient
story could be
de
told
l'humanité,
as a fairy
contient
tale. It became more
des
human.
enjeux qui sont au-delà de ce qui se joue là.
Et dans la région
It
de là où on
wasn't
a
just
tourné,
a
dans la région de
question of
Cherbourg,
events
c'est
that
quand les
occurred.
gens, les
In
locaux,
Cherbourg,
sur le tournage qu'on croisait,
where we
quand
shot
on leur
the
parle de
film,
Marguerite et Julien,
we
c'est
met
vraiment
with people who lived in the
les
region,
gens
and
qui
when
sont
we
très,
talked
très
to them
importants pour eux,
about
ils les voient comme
Marguerite
des
and
personnages
Julien,
de leur histoire, de leur vie.
they
Ils
said
en
to
sont
us,
très
well,
fiers.
they're a
Et ça,
real
c'est bien traduit
legend.
dans
They're
le
part
film,
and
je trouve,
parcel
par
of
cette
our
histoire
lives.
d'orphelinat qui montre que ce sont un
And
peu des-
in the orphanage scene, the two characters are
Toujours,
almost
je
like
dirais,
heroes.
chez Valérie Donzelli,
As always,
la
with
vie gagne à la
Valérie
fin. Il y a
Donzelli,
quand même ce
life
bébé
wins in
de
the end.
Marguerite
You
et
have this
Julien.
young
Oui, alors ça,
baby
pour le coup, c'était
born
dans le
of
scénario de-
Marguerite and
Parce que
Julien.
Marguerite et Julien ont eu un enfant.
Marguerite and Julien actually had a child together.
Et voilà, cette idée, elle est restée, mais c'est surtout
We wanted to retain that idea in
ce
the
que je
film.
trouvais intéressant et ce qui nous plaisait, c'était
What I liked
le fait qu'ils reviennent.
was the fact that
C'est-à-dire
they
que,
come back in a way.
On meurt, mais
In other
les âmes
words,
restent.
one
Et
dies,
l'amour,
but
on
the
a beau
soul
vouloir le détruire,
remains.
bon, il est pas
People
possible de
try
le
to
détruire, et en
destroy
fait,
this love, but it
on
can't
a
be
beau essayer de les
destroyed.
tuer, on les tue, on tue les corps, mais on tue pas
The bodies, the people are
sentiments,
killed,
et
but
voilà, ils se
feelings
réincarnent, ils
last,
deviennent,
and they become
la nature, ils sont
reincarnated.
avec nous,
They
ils
become
nous
part of nature
Oui,
and
c'est quand
remain
même
with
très
us.
beau et-
The end is very
Alors, Une
beautiful.
dernière question.
One last question.
On a parlé tout à l'heure
We
d'anachronisme.
talked
Je trouve
earlier
pas du
on
tout que
about
le mélange des époques
anachronisms.
soit
I don't
anachronique.
find the
C'est-à-dire que
mixture
c'est
of eras
un
totally
grand tout de cet
anachronistic.
amour qui se
It's just part of this love
nous
which
envahit.
is enduring.
Et sur le plan purement technique,
From a purely
des
technical
tournages, des
stance,
costumes, ça pose quand même des problèmes de
this was quite
chronologie.
difficult in terms of
Comment
the
ça s'est installé,
costumes.
ça,
How
sur le
did you work
tournage
this
même?
out while filming?
Mais c'était pas facile parce qu'on
Well, it
se
wasn't
posait beaucoup la
easy.
question de savoir est-ce
We
que ça va,
wondered
ça va pas faire
whether
trop. C'est vraiment
things wouldn't
une question.
appear
Oui,
overdone.
c'est très intuitif en fait. Hein. C'est des choses
We
qui
worked
se
very
sont mises en place
intuitively.
comme ça. Pourquoi
These
est-ce que d'un
things
coup,
just came
une
into
voiture,
the
ça
film.
marche,
Avec une calèche.
avec une calèche.
Why should we
Pourquoi
suddenly
d'autres
have
voitures, ça
a
va faire
car
bizarre, et puis, l'hélicoptère,
followed
on
by
doit
a
choisir,
stagecoach?
Mais malgré
What
tout, ça
about
commençait très,
the
très tôt.
helicopter?
Il y a eu des discussions, il y a eu des réunions évidemment.
Obviously, we held discussions
et les discussions
with
auxquelles
the
j'ai pu
technical
assister,
crew.
vous voyez Valérie et le décorateur.
There was Valérie,
Valérie et la costumière.
the person in charge of the
ou
costumes
avec
and
ses
the
nombreux
sets.
chefs opératrices, ou même avec les ingénieurs du son.
Discussions
Au
were
fond,
held
il y
with
a
the
eu
sound
tout de
engineer and
suite
the chief photography.
Au centre de tout.
And these matters lay at the heart of preparing for the film. After a while, we said to each other, okay, this works, that doesn't. We've seen lots of films set in a given period of history. And why not have anachronisms? But there are no real anachronisms because we're not trying to reconstruct a specific period in history. We've just created a whole universe. There were some medieval aspects, very modern aspects. Everything sort of melds in together. Gradually, the crew was full of questions when we started working on the screenplay, and then the crew started to enjoy it and have fun and started to think, well, can't I slip this into the set? And there was one person who suddenly said to us, well, this lamp would fit in well with the set, this won't do. And people immediately understood what would work and what wouldn't. So it was hard to write, but we drew on our intuition. It's not always easy to work with Valérie. I had lots of things in my head, but it's hard to give people really precise descriptions. But we didn't want to do just any old thing. Things just came together gradually. Strangely enough, there's great unity in the film. Thank you very much, and long live Marguerite and Julien.